Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 57 Eldridge Avenue in Brighton.
Build your Brighton dream home adjacent to Persimmon Park, a 10-acre nature paradise close to everything Brighton has to offer.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This potential building lot is just beautiful. Build your Brighton dream home adjacent to Persimmon Park, a 10-acre nature paradise. It is like living in the middle of this amazing parkland.
We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. How about an elegant owner's suite with a tray ceiling? The possibilities are endless.
Persimmon Park is a nature paradise in the middle of Brighton. What a great opportunity to live with nature in a brand new home, close to everything Brighton has to offer. Here we are at the 12 corners of Brighton.
It has great restaurants, shops, and nearby Brighton schools. What a great place to live. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 57 Eldridge Avenue in Brighton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.